Have you ever wished for a single tool that could provide you with an in-depth understanding of market sentiment all at a glance? Imagine having an indicator that overlays directly onto your price chart, offering a wealth of information from 10 different technical indicators, helping you to assess whether the market is uptrending, consolidating, or downtrending. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to the Market Sentiment Technicals Indicator by LuxAlgo, a revolutionary indicator that could transform your trading approach. Let's get into it. Now, to get started with this strategy, we're going to go to Tradingview, which is the trading platform that I'm going to be using. If you need to sign up, there's going to be a link in the video description for you to do that. Next, you want to open any trading security that you like in any time frame. For me, I'm going to be using the 1 hour time frame of JPY. After that, you want to click on Indicators and then type in Market Sentiment Technicals. Be sure to select this one by LuxAlgo. Now that we have this indicator on our chart, let's dive into what makes it so unique. This innovative indicator overlays directly onto your price chart, providing a wealth of information at different locations to give you a comprehensive view of market sentiment. It combines multiple types of indicators to analyze the market from various angles, including trend indicators, momentum indicators, volatility indicators, and price action market structures. By integrating these diverse elements, it offers excellent insights into the current state of the market. Now, on the left side, we have momentum oscillators, each with their own overbought and oversold levels. We have the Relative Strength Index, which measures the magnitude of recent price changes to evaluate overbought or oversold conditions. Next, there is the Stochastic Oscillator, comparing the closing price to the range over a specified period to identify potential reversal points. The Stochastic RSI applies the Stochastic Oscillator formula to RSI values rather than price data, offering a more sensitive measure of momentum. And then we have the Commodity Channel Index, which identifies cyclical trends in the market and can help you determine overbought and oversold conditions. Lastly, we have the Bull Power, which helps you evaluate the strength of buying pressure in the market. Now, for each of these indicators, there's going to be a bar that shows their current level, allowing you to quickly assess the momentum factors influencing the market. Now, on the right side, the indicator displays trend and volatility indicators. We have the moving average, which smooths out the price data to identify the overall direction of a trend. The volume-weighted average price, or the VWAP, reflects the average price of a security weighted by volume over a given time period. Bollinger Bands provide a relative definition of high and low prices based on volatility, helping you to identify potential breakout or reversal points. Next, we have the super trend, which highlights the current trend direction and can signal potential reversals by changing its position relative to the price. The linear regression fits a straight line through past data points to predict future price movements and identify the trend direction. Additionally, the indicator offers market structure insights, giving you information about the overall pattern of the price action. Now, beyond evaluating each indicator separately, the Market Sentiment Technicals synthesizes all this information into a single value to assess the overall market sentiment. It determines whether the market is uptrending, consolidating, or downtrending. This overall sentiment is displayed in two ways. We have it in the form of a horizontal bar, and we also have it in the form of a market sentiment meter, which helps you quickly evaluate the current overall sentiment in real time. Now, at the bottom of the chart, the Market Sentiment Oscillator helps you monitor the current and historical sentiment to identify trends, evaluate momentum, and help you spot overbought and oversold conditions in the market. Similar to other oscillators, we have a central line here. When the oscillator line crosses above the center line, the area becomes blue, indicating advancing prices. Conversely, when the line crosses below the center line, the area turns to red, showing declining prices. We also have two lines representing overbought and oversold levels, helping you to know when the market may be reaching extreme levels. You can also use this oscillator for detecting divergences. A divergence occurs when there is a difference between what the price action is indicating and what the market sentiment oscillator is indicating. This can help traders assess changes in the price trend. For instance, when the market makes a lower low, but the oscillator makes a higher low, this is a bullish divergence. Whenever this happens, it shows that the downside momentum is is weakening and the upside momentum is gaining strength, increasing the possibility that the price will change direction and turn upward. Conversely, when the price makes a higher high and the oscillator makes a lower high, this is a bearish divergence, indicating that the upside momentum is weakening and the downside momentum is gaining strength, suggesting a possible downward reversal. Now, if you go into the settings of this indicator, under the market sentiment oscillator section, you have an option for showing divergences. You can choose regular, hidden, or all divergences based on your trading strategy. This indicator is going to display the divergences on your chart. You can also adjust settings like the time frame for sentiment calculation, smoothing periods for the oscillator, and even the colors used in the gradient displays. This allows you to tailor this indicator to your specific trading style and preferences. Now, remember, while the Market Sentiment Technicals Indicator provides a comprehensive view of the market, it's crucial to use it in conjunction with other analysis methods and proper risk management practices. Always consider multiple factors before you make your trading decisions to increase the chances of profitable trades. That's been it for this video. I really hope you found some value. If you did, hit the like button below and consider subscribing to stay tuned. Thanks for watching. See you next time.